Welcome back, my friends, to another job lead, and happy Good Friday. We're going to dive straight into it. The links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box. Today's job lead is from the company Advent Health. They have over 1,000 reviews. They probably have about 1,500 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a document management specialist. Now, this is remote and it is a Monday through Friday position. The print is really small on the application page. I will do my best to blow it up as best I can in editing. But they say that they offer benefits from day one. You have a paid time off, career development, and mental health resources. And this is a remote work from home position. They are looking for somebody to be a part of their payment posting team to help with the documentation from insurance companies. So you'll obtain and process both hard copy and electronic documents received from third parties, which is insurance companies, and patients at the payer lockboxes. That can include scanning, document typing, indexing, and workflow routing. You'll use your professional judgment to make a decision on the routing and document retrieval needs of the correspondence, including indexing those documents to the correct patient accounts in the patient accounting system, or sending them and sharing the documents with other departments for special processing. You'll be responsible for performing quality checks on those documents scanned and detect any image errors and determine the causes of the errors. So the main basis of this job is going through the documentation and indexing it to where it needs to go, making sure it's free of errors. Now, one thing you may have to do, this is mostly a non-phone job, but it does say you may have to pick up the phone, make an outbound phone call, and contact the insurance companies and the payers when additional information is necessary to address a question on the correspondence. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They want someone who's proficient in Microsoft Office, Outlook, Excel, Word, someone who can problem solve, be effective in their communication skills, someone who has strong data entry skills. They prefer somebody who has medical terminology knowledge, but it is not required. Now, of course, they did not list exact pay in the job description. That'll have to be asked at the interview, but I always try to find an estimate for you on pay. And according to Glassdoor, a document management specialist with Advent Health makes anywhere from $47,000 a year all the way up to $49,000 a year. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you're celebrating this holiday weekend and Easter, I hope you have a fabulous weekend ahead, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.